Often we don't really think much about how to structure our mornings, but the morning really sets the tone for your entire day. We can either start the day reactively or proactively. Follow these 6 steps to get the most out of your mornings. Step 1. Wake up early. As Benjamin Franklin said, early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Step number 2. Don't look at your phone. I know this one's tough, but don't check Twitter, don't check Instagram, simply wake up. Step 3. Drink a lot of water. During sleep, your body becomes dehydrated and it's important to hydrate. It's a simple but important step. Step 4. Write down your daily goals. This is important because it gives your day direction rather than simply floating through the motions. Step number 5. Work out. It's important to work out in the morning because our willpower is like a muscle. The longer we go throughout the day and the more decisions we make, the less likely it is that we'll actually work out. Step number 6. Read or work on your skills. Constantly learning is the only way that you can be a successful entrepreneur. And there you have it. It's the perfect morning routine. Get ready to kill your days.